Hi, in this video we are going to look at the current status of the project. So first we'll go through the backend of the application. Here we are having all the features for managing the store. So first is the store setup. So it is only to be done at the time of starting the store, so that's why it is not used up much. That is why I have kept it at the bottom in the menu. Now let's see what we have in the store setup. We have all the coupons. So if we go into the coupons, let's sign in. Let's go into the coupons. Here we have made two coupons. One is a flat rate discount coupon and another one is a percentage type coupon. So we can create two kinds of coupons over here. So we have created two coupons for sample purpose, and then we have the product categories. So currently we have added these categories as per your requirement. We can add new categories, and we can even edit the categories over here, and we can, if we don't want this category to be on our site, we can just delete it from here by clicking on this button. Okay, then we have the sizes option. So these are the various sizes in which we will be printing the paintings or the any art form. We will be printing on these sizes. So these are the available sizes. Now these are all the sizes. We have to define it over here. Whatever sizes we have, we need to define it over here. Then here also we can add the sizes, we can edit them, and we can delete them if you don't want them. And then next, coming to the wall mounts. First let's go to the wall mounts. So these are all the wall mounts that are available irrespective of which medium. Okay, here we need to define all the wall mounts. Now if we can just go in and edit this, we have all the options over here. We even have the tooltip. Just if we see in the artbeat.com, yeah. So here we are having all these mediums, and when we select a medium, or else if we just hover above this icon, we are getting this tooltip. So to feed this data, what should appear in this pop-up when we hover above the question mark, we can enter over here in the tooltip section, and this is the image of the wall mount. So if we just select this, and if we go here, we are getting this image. So this is that image. So these details only need to be entered once, and we have already entered it. If you wish to edit it, you can edit it from here. You are welcome to do so. And we'll just go back now, and now so sizes is done, wall mounts is done. Now we'll go and see for the additional options. So additional options are like image enhancement, anti-glare, acrylic, frosted edge, and all that is there. So each additional option has been associated with a fixed price. Okay. And when we go into the wall mounts, I forgot to tell, let's go into the edit. And now the pricing, how it gets calculated is, the pricing is based on the medium, the size, and the wall mount, and the additional option, and the frame. So based on all these things, the price will get decided. So instead of the product having a price, all these things like size, wall mounts, mediums, frames, and additional options have their separate individual prices, and based on all the selections which is made by the client, like here this image doesn't have any price associated to it. The price is associated with the medium. Like if he selects HD metal white, the price will be different, and if he selects HD acrylics, the price will be different. Okay, so we are defining price for each of these options, like medium options, and then additional options, and sizes, and wall mounts. So everything for wall mounts, mediums, and frames, we have dynamic, like smart pricing, and fixed pricing as well. So pricing type, you can either select fixed, like fixed, you can just enter a fixed price over here, or you can select a smart and enter a smart pricing. Smart pricing is price per fit. So based on the size, what is the area of the area for that size, that is calculated in feet, and for that this amount in dollars is taken, and the price for the, like if the size is 4 square feet, then it will be $12. Okay, for this wall mount only. Then medium will have its own price again. So wall mount price plus medium price will, for that particular size, will constitute the total price of the product. And if the customer selects any other additional option like image enhancement, then that price, fixed price, will also get added into the total price which is shown to the customer. So here we are in the mediums section, so we'll just go into the edit for this, and here we have the options to enter the name, type available. If the it is a type, any type of canvas material, then we can select canvas, otherwise we can just select other. So this is a fine art paper, so we have selected other option in this. Then we have the code and the SKU for internal identification of the medium, and then we have the image, and then the tooltip. Then here also we have the option of pricing type. So currently we have set it on a smart, so we have the price for SFT for that medium, like what is the price for 1 square feet of acrylic or 1 square feet of canvas material. So that we need to enter over here, and here we need to enter the weight per square feet. So with this we can calculate the shipping cost, shipping weight, and then based on that we can calculate the shipping cost. And here is the available sizes. So this medium is available in which sizes, what are the sizes that are available in this medium. So for each medium we need to define the available sizes, because some mediums may not be available in particular sizes, and some mediums might be available in all the sizes. So in order to accommodate that level of flexibility, we need to just select all the price. Here we can just add a new size. So we can just add this size, and if we just save it, and then it will also get added. Okay. So then while adding the medium, we can select for which wall mounts are available for this particular medium. Like we have all these wall mounts available. I'll show over here. Like for heavy metal wet, if we go into the styles, we have all these options. Finishing, these are nothing but the wall mounts, how we mount it on the wall. And then we have the additional options like image enhancements. So these many additional options are there. We'll just remove those, and I will just save the new medium. We have just edited it. So we have now selected the image. So we'll look into that later. Currently I don't know. So that is it. And then we have the frames. Same with the frame. This is the image which is used for showing the preview, frame preview on the product page. I'll come to that later. So these are all the frames which were available on heartbeatstudios.com, and we have taken them from there, and we have added them. And if we go into add frame, for frame we have only got the option of price per feet, because we can calculate based on the side what is the perimeter of the square of the or the rectangle, and based on that we can get the running length for the frame which is going to be used, and we can then charge according to that length. And this is for the back support. Any board like hardboard or any other board which is required to support the frame is needed, that we can enter over here whether yes or no. And a cost will be set up in the settings module that we have not created yet. So a fixed cost will be set up per square feet for the backboard. So if the backboard is required and if it has been selected yes, then we can it will automatically take its per square feet value and calculate the product price. So the calculation of product price is a bit complicated one, and currently where we are at in that process I will show now on the front end. So that is regarding the back end on the store setup side. So now first let us view the front end. So these are the static content for the marketing purpose of the website. So here we can have all the banners and all the offers and other promotional stuff of our website, and here are the added products which have been currently added. So if we just hover over this, we will get the customize button, and if we just click it, we will be redirected to the product detail page. So on this, here we have all the mediums first, just like artbeatstudios.com. Once we click on this, and then if we go into the size panel, we get a bunch of sizes which we have added while adding the medium right over here. So if we just edit this, so we have all these sizes over here, right? So this we are seeing over here. So now let's go back and go into some other because I have entered all the sizes for all the medium except this one. So this has very few, only like 6-7 sizes. So if we select this fine art paper over here and then go into sizes, we only get those 6-7 sizes. Okay, so based on the medium that we are selecting, we are getting the size options. Same we are in the process of implementing for the styles, that is canvas options, wall mounts and additional options. And then under wall mounts, if the user selects frame, then the frame tab will get visible, and then we'll have the user will have the option to select the frame, and then based on that the price will get calculated. Okay, so we are in the process of it. It will take another week to 10 days for us to finish this. And so now coming to the room viewer, we have implemented this. So here we have the feature of changing the background, then we can even change the sizes, and then we can change the room, and then we can even upload a photo from our PC, and we can see how it looks over that photo. So this is the wall preview. It has been completely implemented. Now the only major thing we need to do is the to give the functionality over here, and then to do the price calculation based on the options selected, and then based on the options mediums selected, we need to change the preview over here, just like this border that we are getting over here. If we change the medium, that gets changed. Okay, so like this and sorry, so this option we have to give, we have done it in a static manner. And soon we will be implementing it here. So within a week to 10 days this will also get done, and then we can move on to, once the price calculation is done, we can enable add to cart functionality. Then we can proceed with the normal e-commerce features like cart, checkout, and then my account section. All that also has been done. So once we just finish off with the price calculation, then we can proceed with giving the functionality for the add to cart button and carrying forward this price and the selected details over here to the cart page, and then carrying that forward to the checkout page. Okay, so this is all for today. I'll update you next week, hopefully with all these updates, and then in a few days we'll complete the entire project with the e-commerce features as well. If you have any doubt, please mail us, and if you need any changes or any suggestions are there, please feel free to contact us. We will incorporate those features right now in the development phase itself. Okay sir, have a nice day.